Team Wallace new listing. We're in Terra Siesta. 3514 Lucille in Terra Siesta. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home. New vinyl roof, rollout roof in 2017. Has 1,377 square feet under air. This room was an addition. It's actually got concrete underneath the tile here. It's a solid room. Check out this workshop out back. Washer and dryer, sink. That leads out to the backyard, which has a golf cart storage area with shading. Let's go into the kitchen. Recently updated kitchen. Wood cabinets. Check out the pantry on this. Boom. Easy access to both sides. Gives you more storage. Look at the light fixtures here. And then a dolphin. That's pretty cool. Terra Siesta is a 55 and older community. It's an active community though. It has a community center with a heated pool, shuffleboard, dinners. There's RV storage, which is $50 for the year for storage of an RV, which is a huge deal if you have an RV, because you'll find that it's pretty expensive to store that if you don't have a place to park it. This is listed at $150. Built in 1996. Guest bedroom. Look at the mural that this was personally painted by the owner. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Check out this bathroom. A lot of cool touches in here. So there's a jacuzzi tub. Lighting for ambiance. Into the master we go. They do allow 2 small pets in this community. Again, it is a 55 and older. We'll go check out the community center in just a minute. This is at $150,000, 1,377 square feet under air. Roof was just done with a new rollout vinyl roof in 2017. Everything is meticulously been maintained. Service records for everything. Come check it out. Check out the view of the lake you get here. My car wasn't in the way. dual parking for the carport, and even has a roll down shade for the hot summer, because this face west here, and in the afternoon you can roll that down and it'll keep the heat off of you. Alright, give me a call, 941-536-4351 if you're interested about more information about this property. This is the backyard of the Lucille in Ellenton. This was built on so you can park a golf cart underneath it, keep it shaded. You just go out this way over here. This is in an area that golf carts are definitely a plus, because you can get to the store without even having to go onto the main road. Let's go check out the community center right here to the left. Woods Hall. Shuffleboard, cards, dinner, lots of community events, community pool. Here's a community pool at Woods Hall with the lake in the distance that you can listen to it. Terra Siesta.